Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today's session is very important for your annual examination 2024. So guys, in this session we discuss important multiple choice questions of biology. So let's start the session. First chapter, that is cell, structure and function. First question, the largest cell is dash. We know that the largest cell is the ostrich egg and the smallest is PPLO. Yes or no? Then the basic living substance is dash. The basic living substance is the protoplasm. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question, the colorless plastids which store starch and the protein is dash. That is leucoplast, and the green part is chloroplast and the other color is chromoplast. Okay. Next question, because plastids is of three types. One is chloroplast, another is leucoplast, then chromoplast. Chromoplast means other color, chloroplast means green color, and the colorless is leucoplast. Next question, question number 4. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of dash. Option A, the correct answer is option A, that is ribosomes. And you should remember the powerhouse is known as mitochondria and the suicidal bag is the lysosome. Next question, question number 5. The dash provide fixed shape and the rigidity of the plant cell, that is the cell wall. Next question. The thread-like network in the nucleus is dash is called chromatin. Also remember, when the chromatin becomes thick, it becomes chromosome. Okay. Next question. Dash helps in the transport of the materials in a cell, that is endoplasmic reticulums. Endoplasmic reticulums is of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, another is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Next question, question number 8. Dash store excess of the water and the waste product in a cell, that is option number B, that is vacuole. Also it store the food and who packaging who is our Golgi complex, it helps to packaging the food. And the next question, next chapter, that is microorganism. First question, dash is the microorganism that can be crystallized and kept in jar for many days, that is option number C, virus, because virus act as a living and non-living things. So next question, question number 2. Dash is a suspension of the dead and weakened microbe, that is option number A, vaccine. Next question, question number 3. Dash is a chemical produced by the fungus which inhibit the growth of the other harmful microorganism, that is antibiotic. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is the natural ability to an organisms to have an inbuilt mechanism to resist, that is immunity. So option number B is the correct answer. Dash helps in the fixation of the nitrogen in rice field in association with the root of the ficus plant. So option number C is the correct answer, that is cyanobacteria. Next question, question number 6. Typhoid spread through dash. Now typhoid spread through the contaminated water. Okay, because it is a bacterial disease. Next question, question number 7. The foot and the mouth is a disease caused in a cattle by dash, by virus. Option number B is the correct answer. Then question number 8. The red rot of a sugar cane is caused by which microorganism? The correct answer is option number C is the fungus. Next question. Which of the given food is preserved by the drying method? So option number B is the correct answer, that is papaya. Okay. And milk is pasteurization. Okay. Next question, question number 10. Jelly manakebo jelly and jam adding sugar and salt. Sugar and salt. Next question number 10. Dash is pressurized heating for a short time, that is option number A, pasteurization. Next question. Hypothermophils are the microorganism which lives at dash at the temperature between 80 degrees Celsius to the temperature 122 degrees Celsius. Okay, next question. The ability to eat away germ is specialty of dash, is specialty of the white blood cell. Okay, in our blood there are the three types of cells are there. One is RBC, another is WBC, next is platelet, also blood plasma there. Then next question, question number 13. Unicellular microorganism fungi is dash. The option number A is the correct answer, that is yeast. Next question, question number 14. Deadly disease which is caused by the parasitic microorganism called Plasmodium is dash. So option number A, the correct answer is malaria. Next question number 15. Baker's yeast produce gas which helps in the rising the dough is dash, is the carbon dioxide. Okay. Next question. Organ systems which are exposed to the external environment are protected from the bacteria by presence of dash, by presence of the mucous membrane. In our stomach, HCl acid will be secreted. Next question, question number 17. Most of the bacteria in a food are killed by dash, are killed by option number A, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Next question, question number 18. The dash disease can be prevented by the maintaining good personal hygiene. So option number A, option number A is cholera, option number B is TB, then ringworm, then the malaria. Option number C is the correct answer, that is ringworm. Next chapter, that is conservation of the plants and animals. There are dash biosphere reserves in India. So option number A is the correct answer. There are 18 biosphere reserves are there. Next question, question number 2. A reserve of the land usually declared and owned by the national government which is protected from the most human development work and the pollution is called dash, is called the national park. Next question. The dash national park has the 2/3 of the world one-horn rhinoceros populations are there. Option number B is the correct answer, that is Kaziranga. Next question, question number 4. Jim Corbett National Park is the first national park which is established in the UK, that is Uttarakhand. Next question, question number 4. A dash is officially designated territory marked by the government which provide the protection and the living condition of a wild animal, that is wildlife sanctuary. Next question. A species is said to be dash when the no member of the species exists is presumed beyond the reasonable doubt to have the disappear, known as extinct. Next question, question number 6. Dash is an example of the vulnerable species. The option number C is the correct answer, that is cheetah. Dash is endemic to the western Ghat of the southwest India, that is option number A. Next question, question number 8. A periodic movement of an animal from their home to new area and the subsequent return journey back to the original home is known as dash, is known as migration. Next question. Dash is a group of organisms which can be interbreed under the natural condition, that is species. Next question. Wild buffalo is an endangered species because dash its population is diminished. So option number A is the correct answer. So next question. Which one of the change may occur due to the desertification? So our correct answer is option number D, that is conversion of the fertile land into the desert, known as desertification. Next question, question number 12. What do black buck, dodo, elephant and the golden cat together represent in a forest? That is Option number A, that is fauna. Flora means plant species, fauna means animal species, because these are the animal, that's why fauna. Next question, question number 13. Migratory bird fly to far away during the particular time of a year. Which of the following condition present in the habitat during the time is responsible for the behavior? So option number I is unavailability of the food. No. Next, extreme weather condition. Yes. And overcrowding. No. Then lack of the nesting area. Yes. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Next chapter, that is synthetic fiber and the plastics. The purest natural form of the cellulose is dash. Option B, that is cotton. Rayon clothes are comfortable to wear in dash. Wear in winter. Then rainy season. Then both A and B. Then summer. So correct answer is option number D, that is summer. The first fully synthesized plastics are dash. That is option number A is the bakelite. Next question, question number 4. The non-stick coating on a pan or other cooking utensil is made from dash, is made from the Teflon. Then melamine hoଉଛି amara fire extinguisher use way. Okay. Next question. The synthetic plastics used to making the insulation cover the electrical wire is dash. Wire is known as PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Next question. Which of the following is not the part of the 4R? Reduce, recycle, recover, then reinvent. The option number D is the correct answer. Next question, next chapter, that is reaching the age of the adolescence. The most conspicuous change which occur in boy during the puberty is dash. Is the height, the increase in height, because girl manka case re more increase way than the boy. So next question, question number 2. The structure present in a cell which is responsible for the determination of the sex of the baby is dash. Is called option number D, that is chromosome. Depend kare chromosome, that is 22 plus X and the 22 plus Y. This is the female and this is the male. Okay, male gonad. Next question. The hormone responsible for the metamorphosis in the frog is dash. That is the option number A, thyroxine, and the mineral is iodine is needed. Next question. The rapid maturation of the gonad takes place due to the release of dash. The release of the hormone. Next question. Next chapter, that is reproduction in animal. Set of the reproductive term in the given below. Choose the set that the incorrect combination. Okay. First is sperm, testis, sperm duct, penis. Next menstruation, egg, oviduct, uterus. Next sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. So it mix is male and female. That's why option number C is the correct answer. In human, the development of the fertilized egg takes place in dash. Takes place in the uterus. Next question. In the list given, hen is odd one out. Human being, cow, dog, hen. The reason for this, because it is the oviparous. Option number C. Sorry, oviparous. Hen is oviparous and the human, cow, dog are the viviparous. That's why hen is different, because hen is oviparous. Next question. Animal exhibit the external fertilization, produce the large number of the gamete. Pick out the appropriate reason for the following. First option, the animal are the small in size, want to produce more offspring. Next, food is available in the plenty of water to ensure the better chance of the fertilization. So option number C is the correct answer. Next question. Reproduction by the budding takes place in dash, in hydra. Next question. Which of the following statement about the reproduction in human is correct? So option A, fertilization takes place externally. fertilization takes place in the testes. During the fertilization, egg moves toward the sperm. Then the fertilization takes place in the human female. So option number D is the correct answer. Next question. In human being, after fertilization, the structure which get embedded in the wall of the uterus is called embryo. Next question. Aquatic animal in the which fertilization occur in the water, that is viviparous without external. Next, oviparous anda diyanti, so oviparous with external fertilization. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. The belief that the mother is completely responsible for the sex of the child is the baseless because the child gets sex hormone only from the mother. No. Develop in a body of the mother. No. They get one sex chromosome from the mother and the other from the father. So option number C is the correct answer. Next question. AIDS can spread from an infected person to another person through dash. Sharing food? No. Blood transfusion? Yes. Sharing comb? No. Mosquito bite? No. So option number B is the correct answer. Given below are the events that lead to the pregnancy and the development of the embryo. Thus, first, fertilization of the egg. Okay, yes. Then maturation of the egg. Yes. Release of the egg. Then release karibo. Then embedding the embryo in the uterus. Yes. So questions kon कहूची given below are the event that lead to pregnancy and the development of the embryo. हमको arrange करिवार अछि. So first is maturation of the egg. Next, release of the egg. Then now release karibo 2 number. Then fertilization of 3. Then embedding the 4. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. For the metamorphosis of the tadpole, which of the following element must be available in water? That is iodine. So option D. Given below figure related to the reproduction in human, identify X, Y in the given figure. So identify X. This is placenta, direct connection thigh. Then Y is baby. X is uterus. Y is embryo. X is fallopian tube. No. X is uterus. Then Y is fetus. Okay. X is ovary. No. X is uterus and Y is embryo. It is embryo, no fetus. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Completed. So सेशन टी केमती लागिला जदि भलो लागे देन शेयर एंड लाइक कर सेशन को जदि चैनल न्यू अछ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो जेबे भी मु अपलोड करिवि फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो ओके सो हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट रे आउ किछि चैप्टर एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करिबा टिल देन थैंक यू।